Hey there, my little global citizens. So this is a video to kind of update you on something that I have changed. I got an inspiration yesterday, and so I made a bunch of new things and changed things up. I will go over it in person and, of course, all of those things, but it is kind of updated now and on your Google Classrooms now, so I wanted to make this video to show you where it is and explain what it is and explain why I changed it so that you're not like, what are you talking about? So if you are in your global studies Google Classroom, green is right here and you're under class information. You'll notice that the remote work section is still right here, but after Monday I'm going to delete this. And then we are going to be using this in-person and remote schedule. I will show you what that looks like in a second. If you are in the gold cohort, you will notice that your remote work is moved down to the bottom because we are also going to be using this in-person and remote schedule. So what those look like is it's a Google Slides that you can see right here. So what this is it's a slideshow, and so now instead of having one document, one slideshow that we're using as our daily slides when you're in person, and then one document that you use to look at your remote work. I'm taking the idea that we're using a 9th grade academy and that Miss Holt is using an English 9, for example. And we're going to have our weekly schedule in one place. So you have your in-person days for green, your remote days for green, all in one place and in a slideshow, so it's a little bit easier to access and use than in a Google Doc. There's also, it'll be easier to kind of plan ahead and look ahead for certain weeks if we need to. And so this will be what we're going to use in person, so green Mondays and Tuesdays, and then green Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. This is where you're going to find your remote work. It's going to be posted in the same place in Google Classroom under class information, right under, I'm actually going to move your remote work, right under attendance. Gold, it looks exactly the same, but our weeks are a little bit different. They're flipped. So this is where you'll find your remote work for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then in person, this is what we'll use as our daily slides for Thursday, Friday. And again, the planned ahead weeks are under here. There's headings, so it'll hopefully be a little bit easier to navigate and use. And also be nice to have everything in one succinct spot. You only have to click on one thing. So again, right under the attendance in your class page. So that's what we're doing. We're going to start using these slides for our in-person time together and your remote time. They're going to be at the same spots in your Google Classroom under the in-person and remote and under the class information. And we'll go over this next week too.